put your video on YouTube, you go to your email, click on the grid and click on your YouTube account. You automatically have one. You go up to the right-hand corner, click on that plus sign, and you're going to create a video. So start at your email, click on the grid, drop down to YouTube. That'll open your YouTube account. Then you go up to the right-hand corner and you click on create. Once you get to create, and that'll open up this, you click on the arrow to upload your video. That'll create a drop down of all your files. So you go to search, and whatever you've titled yours, I titled mine Senior Legacy. Actually, a better way to do it is just if you did it in QuickTime with like a screen recording, you just type QuickTime. Most of the time your video will come right up anyways. But so I'm going to upload, let's just pick one of my samples here, Seniors 2020. Open that up, and you'll see like a rocket ship. It starts uploading it. The key thing here is when it uploads, you want to title it with an appropriate title. I'll title mine Senior Legacy Proposal. Let me fix that R. Don't want any typos. Click on Next. Those are the video elements. And then on the last page, you got to make sure that you save and you make it public. You got to make it public so everyone can see it, so we can see it and grade it. So you're going to click on Publish after that. And that's going to be your link right there, your live link. And it'll publish pretty quickly depending on your internet. It could take some time. And there it is. It uploads and it processes. I have school internet doing this, so it's pretty quick. At home, it might take some time. I would suggest maybe doing it in the evening when everyone's just like make it process overnight. That usually guarantees it'll be ready by morning, no matter how slow your internet may be that day. All right, thanks everybody. That's how you do your video.